this is to make a Minecraft cracked server. First, you'll start by going to Mozilla Firefox, or your internet, just by going on the interwebs. Now, go up here and just go to Minecraft.net. You'll come over here to play Minecraft Beta, click download. Scroll down to the bottom, you'll see this. This is for Windows, this is for the Mac or Linux. If you want to read more on that, you can read that. You can use the Minecraft, this one for Windows as well, but it doesn't really matter. Now, we can exit out of this. Wrong thing. Yep, then you go to over here, just drop that on the main thing. You'll see here, you're going to create a new folder, Minecraft server, Minecraft cracked server, whatever. Now, here you'll just launch this, run. I'm going to bring this over. You'll see right over here that you just got 8 files. This one is going to disappear. Let's stop this nicely. Stop. Click the X, whatever. Doesn't really matter. Anyways, you'll see that one disappeared. To make a server cracked or non-cracked, whatever you're doing, this is a cracked tutorial, but you don't have to do the cracked part of it. Edit with Notepad++ or Notepad, just normal Notepad does work. I've done it with both. Now here is where you make it cracked. You'll see online mode. Online mode equals true is what it'll show here. Now, that's what analyzes the username or whatever, the person, whether or not they have a Minecraft.net account and if they've bought Minecraft yet. So, this is where you have to change this to false. That way it does not look for them being an actual true member of the Minecraft servers. So anybody can join. Anybody. Everything else you can figure out. It's pretty much self-explanatory. And your server IP. You'll have to get your IP from your computer. Go over here to run. Now down here, you'll type in CMD. Then you'll click OK. Now you'll see that this black screen thing will pop up. Now right here, in the little console command, you'll type in ipconfig, ipconfig. You'll press enter. Now right down here, you'll see all the stuff. Connection specified, DNS suffix, IP address is what you want, 192.168.1 point, blah blah blah. Anyways, I know mine by memory. It will change on occasion, so you will have to change this every so often. So make sure that if your server for some reason isn't working, or it's saying, it'll say something like, I'll just show you. Let's just put that as a 1. Save. Now we'll launch this, run. As you'll see, it'll come up and say, started Minecraft on this, failed to bind to port, exception was blah blah blah. Perhaps the server is already running on that port. But now, when I go back, change that number back to the correct number, click save. It'll run perfectly. It'll say it's running offline, stuff like that. Also, in here, you'll notice that it has a port. If for some reason your friends cannot join once we get that far, you will have to port forward off of your router or modem or whatever. And I wish I could do that, but there's a lot of routers out there. I only know how to do it for mine, which I might be able to make a tutorial, but I don't really find the point because there's so many of those out there already. So now, I'll launch this finally for the real time. And wait for it to load up. Once this gets to 100%, so we'll just start up Minecraft right now. Start up Minecraft. Shortcut to Minecraft. It'll start up. Falling off cliffs. Whatever. Now right in here, the number that you wrote in this file, the server properties, the IP you got, you'll type in, it's done, okay. You'll type in the exact same number, so it'll be 192.168.1 point, blah blah blah. Connect. And it'll say locking in, downloading terrain. Now as you'll see, at the very beginning you will fall. Sometimes you won't fall, but usually you will. I just got lucky enough to spawn on top of a tree, I guess. awkward spawn. Whatever. Ah. Ah. Even though I spawned right up here, it's still gonna lag for a little while, cause that's just how Minecraft rolls. That's how they like to do things on this game. So you'll be able to run around, fall, die, whatever, lose half of your health already, do whatever you want. It'll be just like playing on a normal Minecraft world, but to be able to play on this one, you will have to have up that server window. So I'm just going to disconnect, all full of love. X out of that, and you'll see that it said I connected, and then it'll say when I disconnected. Now for some reason someone is being annoying, and they keep changing their username while they're joining, and you don't want them to join anymore, and you've banned their name already. You can see their IP addresses put in where they join. You can go back over here, banned players, put in their name, banned IPs, put in their IP, ops, the whitelist, a VIP list. If you're not on a list, you can't join, blah, blah, blah. Now for your friends to join on you, for people to have fun times, you have to go back to the internet. I'll just go off of Google because it's faster. On Google, type in IP chicken. You'll get this site, what's my IP address lookup. This gives you like a separate IP. It's your, I think it's called an external IP. You'll give this to your friends, and then when they type it in, they'll join to your server. You'll join through your internal IP that you put in the file thing, and then they'll join through this IP that you give them. And that's all you can do there. If you need more help with the Minecraft server thing, when you launch this, you'll notice that after you did it the first time, it'll load extremely fast. Look, it didn't even show a number, and it's already done. You can type in help or question marks, and you get all these commands, kick, stop, save all, save off, save on, whatever. As someone joins, their name will show up on the players list, things like that. I hope that helped you. For port forwarding, I would suggest just Googling it, or either Googling it, or using Bing, whatever you use, and you'll have to make sure you do it for your router, because like I have a Linksys, but that wouldn't work for other things. I don't know what any other router names are, but I know Linksys is the most popular where I am. But I hope this helped you, and I hope that this works. If you have any help, need any help, just use the comments below and I'll answer them. I answer almost every comment on my videos. Thanks.